Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak like Texas Roadhouse. Sear a room temperature ribeye in a smoking hot cast iron skillet for 2 to 3 minutes per side to build a deep brown crust. Rest the steak on a wire rack for 5 to 10 minutes to redistribute juices. Finish with a pat of butter and a sprinkle of coarse salt, then slice against the grain for tender bites. Season generously and confidently so the steak tastes bold without overpowering the beef. Press seasonings into the meat so they adhere during searing and form a flavorful crust. During the last minute, add butter, smashed garlic, and a sprig of thyme to the pan and baste the steak constantly for enhanced aroma. Resting lox in juices, then slice against the grain for the perfect tender chew and presentation. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: I love those leak-proof containers because they keep steak juicier and make leftovers travel-friendly, plus they stack neatly in the fridge for easy meal prep. They're perfect for storing slices or marinades without mess. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Control heat and time rather than relying on guesswork for consistent results. Sear on high heat first, then move to medium to finish cooking evenly without burning the crust. Use an instant-read thermometer for accuracy and remove steak a few degrees below target as it will carry over. Keep foil loose while resting to preserve the crust, then slice and serve with warm sides for a classic steakhouse experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.